We're going to be making croissant raisin bread pudding. Croissant bread, brown sugar, eggs, raisins, butter, cinnamon, evaporated milk. Let's get a quarter stick of butter, and I'm going to set croissant bread, which I'm going to use the rest of this to make croutons. But it said, excuse me, 4 slices of bread, because I'm reducing the recipe because this is going to be a serving for 4 people. So, and all 3 of them are. Start combining all of our ingredients. So here's my mixture: the egg, the brown sugar, the vanilla, the cinnamon, and the evaporated milk. To that, I'm just going to add my bread to it and my raisins. I don't like a lot of raisins. It said use half the cup, so I'm using just about 3 of these little snack size boxes. And then I'm just going to combine everything together, and with my butter as well. Butter, 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 butter. There. Gonna mix everything together. You're gonna spray your pan, and you're going to let this bake. I will tell you in just a second how long to let it bake. But this is the consistency you want, kind of like macaroni, but really, really thick once it bakes. Just as our croissant raisin bread pudding before, and I'm sprinkling on a little bit of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnamon Dust. Why not? Oh my God, why not? Why wouldn't I do that? Why wouldn't I do that? Why wouldn't I hit it with the little cinnamon dust? You saw it. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. And you want to make sure it's kind of liquidy when you put it in there. Sometimes people that do sit overnight will. I remember being told to let it sit overnight, but I'm not letting it sit overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven for about 35 minutes. This is the finished product of the croissant raisin bread pudding. As you can see, I can see to the bottom of the tin. That's how you know it is done. I can literally pick this up and bite it like a muffin. It's so, they can be so